Speaking back again with another video as I promised. So now we're looking at simply, we still continue with algebraic expressions as well as equations. You'll see now I'm about to show you the difference, the main difference, and it's very nice when it comes to the difference with these kind of problems. So when you look at number one, it simply says what is the sum of 5x squared plus 2x plus 4 and 3x squared minus 5x minus 1. And you can simply see that you capture 2 marks if you get it correct. Then we move to number 2. It simply says solve for x. There is number 1 there, Roman figure 1. 5x plus 4 equals 3x plus 10. A very nice problem when it comes to grade 8 and 9. 2 marks. Roman figure 2, 5 to the exponent of x is equals to 25, which is 2 marks. Then we have 3x plus 4, which is equals to 19. It's 2 marks. Grade 8 and 9, very nice when it comes to this one. Your 8 marks, you've bagged 8 marks here. Now let's look at these two. That one is simply an algebraic expression. Why? Simply because there's no equal sign on that question. The whole question is no equal sign. So 5x squared plus 2x plus 4 and 3x squared minus 5x minus 1. So now I want you to look at this. Now, this is very simple. Let's look at, and then don't worry about that. So now let's look at this first one. So if you look at what is the sum simply means plus. When we add, understand, that's a sum. So what is the sum of 5x squared plus 2x plus 4 and 3x squared minus 5x minus 1? How do we do it? Then we need to take these two. It's like they're saying, what is the sum of 1 and 2? We're just going to say 1 plus 2, right? So it's simple. If they're saying sum of 1 and 2, it's 1 plus 2, we get 3. So here, what is the sum of this and this? We simply have to take 5x squared plus 2x plus 4, then we always open bracket when we add. Understand? When we add or even when we minus, let's say maybe they were saying what is the difference, we were going to put minus, then we open bracket, we put the second one, right? But due to it's plus, we're just gonna say plus, we open bracket again, then we say 3x squared minus 5x minus 1. Guys, make sure you put brackets at all times. When you substitute, you put brackets, because if you do not put brackets, then you get to have challenges somehow. Remember, operation signs are always the ones in which we always make mistakes when. You'll see there's a video that I uploaded. If you go and check then you'll come across it where I talk about operation signs and final answers having to confirm them. Then now when we look at this as an algebraic expression, why? Simply because we do not have any equal sign there. But now let's look at how to remove the operation sign. We put back 5x squared plus 2x plus 4. Then this positive, we're going to take this positive, then we multiply. I want to teach you when it's negative, right? Positive won't have any effect. But look, we take this, multiplied by this, multiplied by this, then multiplied by this. Understand? So if you say positive, just in case it's a different sign, if you say positive multiplied by 3x squared, you're just going to get plus 3x squared. And then if you say again positive multiplied by negative 5x, you're just going to get negative 5x. If you say positive terms minus 1, you'll get minus 1. Let's revisit the equal signs. When it comes to equal signs, negative multiplied by negative is equals to positive. Positive multiplied by positive is equals to positive. Negative multiplied by positive is equals to negative. Then positive multiplied by negative is equals to what? Negative. So now you get to see the pattern. If you multiply the signs that are the same, we get positive. If you multiply the signs that are different, we always get negative. So now it's like this now. So once we get something like this, we have to group the like terms. So we have now 5x squared plus 3x squared. Remember this and this, they are like terms. That is why we're writing them like that. Then plus 2x. Plus 2x is the same as this, minus 5x. Then we have plus 4 minus this 1. Remember, these have squares, these ones do not have squares, but x, these ones are constants. So now we add these two. 5 plus 3, we get 8. Then these are the same, we put 1. Understand? Then plus. No, let's not just say plus. 2 minus 5 is what? It's minus 3. Then we have x. Then plus 4 minus 1 is simply plus 3. Then this one is simply going to be your answer. Why? Simply because there are no longer like terms, and at the same time there's nothing in common within that expression. So now let's move to the next one. We're just going to move to solve for x. I hope guys you did understand it. It's very simple, it's very nice, simple and straightforward. So moving to solve for x. Let's make it fast, guys. It's very short. I need to cover a lot. Now we have 5x plus 4, which is equals to 3x plus 10. Now, when it comes to 5x plus 4 equals to 3x plus 10, guys, when it comes to algebra, capture a lot of marks because other problems within the test are a bit of a problem. So now, remember, this is what I always say. I always say variables equals to constants. Understand? Everything that is a variable, in this case, you must put it this side. Everything that is a constant, put it this side. Ne? Now, look, 5x is already this side, right? We put 5x here. Now look, 3x is not in this side, but it's this other side. And remember, if we take something from this other side, we put it that other side, the operating sign is going to change. Look at 3x as if it is this side, it's positive. When it goes that side, it's going to change and be negative. It's a very simple concept. Very simple concept. Do not take it difficult. Equals to. Already this side, we already have 10, which is a constant. Put 10. This one is positive 4, it's that side. And we need to go that side and fetch something that side and put it this side. There's gonna be something that will change, the sign. When we take it coming this side, the sign changes. Now, 5 minus 3, we get what? 2x, which is equals to 10 minus 4, we get 6. Now, in order for us to remove this, why? Simply because we want to solve x, then we divide both sides by 2. Remember, at all times, everything you do this side, you must also do it this side. So cancel these two, then you have x, which is equal to 6 divided by 2, it's 3. Then, after that, take this 3, put it there. Put it there. Just put it here. 3, you put it here as x. It's going to be 5 times 3, 15. Minus, 15 plus 4, it's 19. Let's put it this side. 3 times 3, it's 9. Plus 10, 19. So you're going to have 19 equals 19. We're good to go. That's correct. Then we move to the next concept now. Let's move to the next concept. Now, looking at the Roman figure 2 now. We have 5 raised to the exponent of x, which is equals to 25. Now, at all times, when we have these two now, you can simply see we have something that is in a form of an exponential form and also a number that we know which we can consider it as a perfect square. Understand? So if we have 25 here, this is a perfect square, and this one, it's an exponential form, but it has a base of 5. Remember, when it comes to a power, this is a power, right? This is a power, then it has a base and an exponent, right? So now, let's look at 25. 25, how can we make 25 to change to be in an exponential form? So in order for us to change 25, we put 5 to the exponent of x here. Then 25, you can even use your calculator at all times. You simply punch 25 equals to shift, then it's going to be fact. Then it will give you 5 to the exponent of 2. Understand? So now, at all times, you have an equation with 2 powers like this. Understand? And now the basis of those equations are the same. You simply equate exponents. The exponents is going to be x equals to 2. It's very nice, guys. It's very nice. You'll enjoy it going forward. But now let's look at the last one. The last one is simply 3x plus 4, which is equals to 19, which is equals to 19. Remember, we do the very same constant. B equals to C. So variables are always equals to constants. Variables equals to constants. Then once we have this kind of concepts, it's very simple. If we are looking at variables, we look at the equation and we want to deal with the ones with a constant. Which one has a constant? 3x, and 3x is already in this side. So we simply put 3x here. Then remember, it's going to be equals to y, simply because we no longer have any other one that is a variable. Now, let's look at 19. 19 is already this side and it's considered as a constant. 19 this side. Then that 4, it has to jump the equal sign. And when it jumps the equal sign coming this side, it's going to be negative 4. So this is going to be 19 minus 4. I hope you're still with me. Then we have 3x here, which is equals to 19 minus 4. 19 minus 4 is going to be 15. Understand? Then now, in order for us to divide now, we need to divide by 3. So that we remove the coefficient of x, then we are left with x. Then 15 divided by 3 is 5. Ah, guys, this thing is very nice. This thing is very nice. I hope you're just gonna nail these things. They're very nice. Just gonna enjoy them. Thank you so much. I'm done with this one now. Graded a 9 when it comes to algebra. Solve for x. I think that's where it ends. I don't know if you forgot something else, but if I forgot something else, I think number systems. Number systems, I'm still going to go back because they're always there in your test. So I've covered, guys. If there's anything that you really want me to attend to, hit me up. Comment down below. Comment on the section. Then I'm just gonna prepare something for you guys. For now, thank you so much. Have a great one.